Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's not morning, it's actually 12:55 in the afternoon. So I am home. Hindi ko alam kung I have to share, but alam ko yung asawa ko ayaw mag-share. Anyway, I just got home from the hospital, guys. Na-admit yung asawa ko sa hospital like 2 nights ago. Nakaka-uwi ko lang, guys, and I'm so thankful. Thank you so much, Ate Marilyn, for taking me home. Pinick up talaga ako ni Ate Marilyn sa hospital to bring me back here at home because kailangan ko talagang mag-shower, guys. 2 nights na wala akong ligo. 2 nights na walang ano. So I need to change. I have to go back to the hospital later na mamaya. After everything, I am here and it's 12:56. So I still have so much time to do things. So siguro maglilinis konti, change ng bed sheets and everything, and then I have to shower and whatever I need, and I have to go back there. Dalhin ko yung laptop ng asawa ko kasi kailangan niya mag-study. Oh, di ba? Kahit hospital na, guys, mag-study pa rin. But he's asking for his laptop and charger ng kanyang watch. So I have to bring that back there. Pero mamaya pa, guys, I have to wait for the kids to be home. Siguro around 5 ako babalik doon or 5:30. Ganon. So, ating yung aking order from Heirloom Roses. If you guys remember, I don't know if I said anything about Heirloom Roses. I've been here in the US, in Texas, for like more than a year na. And then, since wala naman akong ginagawa dito, guys, cleaning, being wife lang, cleaning, luto, kids, like, yan. So, I am into, I am into planting flowers, and now I feel like parang obsessed, parang konti lang na, meron akong obsession na sa roses. So, I found out this store from Heirloom Roses. Yeah, I ordered 3 different roses from them, which it was delivered an hour ago. This is from Heirloom Roses. You can see naman yung label dyan. So, I ordered this one back in, I think it was August 29 when I placed the order. Ang difference lang, guys, yung nag-order ako sa kanila and they are based in Oregon. So, it took them like 2 weeks para ma-deliver yung item. But it was okay because I think they are really trying to make sure that they are sending me a good one kasi they check everything so before they ship the flower, which is a good thing. I already ordered something from Heirloom Roses. If you guys wanted to buy one from them, they have website at the same time. Meron din sila from Amazon. So if you just wanted roses from them, and they have wonderful review from people who ordered. Anyway, hindi ko alam bakit andito ako sa room. Dito ako nag-unboxing. Excited ako. Look forward ko talaga to, guys. Wala, nilagyan kaya nila to ng pangalan. Na-excite ako. Wow, super nice packaging. I would really clap for the packaging itself. Binigyan nila akong catalog here. First time akong mag-order ng roses from them. Pero nag-order na ako sa Heirloom. Pero yung in-order ko kasi, guys, is fish fertilizer, which is a good one kasi ano siya, yung fish fertilizer is really good fertilizer for roses. Okay. Oh my goodness. Wow. Thank you, Lord. Ito talaga yung gusto. Ito na yung Eden. This one. Wow. And then this one. Right, there you go. Ano ba? Yay! I got 3! Right. So, nakikita nyo naman, guys, wala siyang dahon. Actually, gituyo dyan na nilang walay dahon. I mean, sa may Tagalog, gituyo. They really defoliated the roses because this says it makes, stronger. It makes the rose daw better pag defoliated siya when it was shipped to make it healthy at the same time. hindi siya stress sa pag-ship. So, it's a good thing. Meron naman siya, meron na siyang mga nakalabas na yung ibang dahon. But, I don't really like shocked. I'm not shocked na walang mga dahon. That's because they already explained it sa website nila na ginagawa talaga nila to make sure that they are shipping healthy roses and non-stress roses. I don't know how to explain it. But this one, ito yung fragrant plum na rose. So, yung color niya, insert ko na lang yung picture. Ganyan yung color ng rose na to, guys. And it blooms all season. Double, maraming roses, which is really good. So, ang plano ko dito is I'm gonna put this outside in our entrance sa front natin na, yard. And then, ito yung Eden, which ito talaga yung nilook forward ko, guys. I was just like, ang dami ko ng times na iniisip na, sige, bilhin ko na, bibili ako. Pero sobrang namahalan ako sa rose na to. So, if bibili niyo siya sa Amazon, guys, this one is around $73 for one. So, see, wala siyang dahon, but it's healthy. I can tell naman. Meron ng mga buds, meron ng mga shoots na palabas, so which is good. And again, they are not shipping unhealthy one. They always make sure that they ship very healthy roses. So imagine na backyard merong Eden roses, which is really good. And then this one is the courageous one. Ang dami palang tinik ng courageous, ha? Ang dami niyang tunok, girl. Ow! Muna tunok na, tagap. Ow. Anong hilabtan po? I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Okay. So this one is courageous. This one is the red one. And I think this one is also a climber. So I was thinking about like planting this, both of them, like both sides. Para para mag-meet silang dalawa. Si Eden at saka si Courageous. So, from like light, white, pink color, pero sobrang laki ng bloom ng Eden. Plus si red na Courageous. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. But it will take 3 years before that happen. But I will still gonna enjoy. Kahit konting-konting bulaklak muna. Like si Eden roses, it will give like a lot of blooms. That's what they said. Even after a year. I'm very excited. I'm so grateful. Thank you, Lord. Alam ng asawa ko to, guys. Pagbili ko nito, guys, sinabi niya sa akin, sinong bumili ng roses? I was like, guilty in charge, Your Honor. But, I'm so grateful kasi yung asawa ko naman, he's very supportive with my little obsession. I am back. Guys, I'm so happy kasi nakapag-shower na tayo. So, I feel fresh right now. After 3 days. 3 days na walang ligo, girl. So, yan. So, anyway, nilinis ko yung aming bed. I changed it with beach sheet. And then, yung ating pillowcase. And then, yung ating blanket. I changed it, guys, para pag-uwi ng husband ko tomorrow. So, when you get home tomorrow, the bed is clean, so he can just relax and sleep. So I'm trying to, what time is it? 3:36. Hindi ako babalik ng hospital hanggat hindi ko nakikita yung mga anak ko. So I need to stay here until the kids are home from school before I leave. So while I'm waiting, hindi pa ako nakakain ng lunch, by the way. Binigyan pala ako ng food niya ni Marilyn. Oh my gosh, I'm so blessed talaga. Sobrang blessed ko po talaga at si Marilyn. Kaya na-surprise ako kanina. Diba sinabi ko, like, she picked me up at the hospital earlier and sent me home. Before she picked me up, she wrote me and said, okay, I will be a little late because I'm cooking. 8 minutes more. So I was like, okay, take your time. Hindi naman ako nagmamadali eh. So, nagluto pala siya ng bangus, guys. Ayan. I'm hungry right now. Actually, it's 3:27. So, kakain ako kasi merong rice naman. Nagluto yung kids. Nagluto si Nicole yesterday ng rice. And marami pang rice. Nag-iinit lang ako ng rice, guys. So, I'm bringing this to help my husband's cough. Actually, binigyan naman sila ng, binigyan naman siya ng syrup doon sa hospital. Pero this one kasi, sabi niya, it helps a lot. So, ito yung binili namin sa Walmart nung nagpunta kami Walmart, guys. Para siyang menthol candy to help sa kanyang sore throat or sa kanyang pag-uubo. So, hindi ako magdadala ng marami kasi, again, discharge naman kami bukas. Discharge na siya tomorrow. So, I'm gonna bring clean clothes para makapagpalit siya tomorrow morning. Dadalhin natin ito. Belt. Favorite belt niya. Binilhan ko ng bagong belt. Ito talagang daan na belt yung gustong gamitin. Binilhan ko to ng bagong belt. Ayaw gamitin yung bago. So, yan. Pwede natin ito sa bag. Tawag ito? Naka-charge din yung laptop niya, guys. Kasi, sabi niya she wants to study. So, magdadala din ako ng notebook and then ballpen para if he wants to study, meron siyang gagamitin to write. And then, yung isang phone niya. Kailangan niya itong isang phone. And then, ano ba to? Yung laptop charging pa. Siguro dadalhin ko to. I think it will help a lot. Kasi nahirapan siya. Meron naman siyang dalawang pillow. Pero parang mas maganda to. Ito yung binili niya sa Amazon. Dadalhin ko to para masarap yung tulog niya. Actually, I'm so thankful. Kasi maayos na yung tulog niya, guys. Nung nilipat kami sa room, it was a little bit we were a little bit annoyed kasi nung pagpunta kami last nung nakaraan na gabi, punta kami doon sa emergency, wala silang available na room, guys. So nilagay lang kami sa hallway ng hospital kasi sabi nila saka lang kami dadalhin sa room pag meron ng available. My gosh, it took them siguro like mga 20 hours for us to have a room. So, alam nyo yun, nahirapan kami matulog, nahirapan yung asawa ko matulog kasi ang ingay sa hallway, labas-pasok yung mga tao, mga nurses and everything. At saka ang ingay ng mga monitor, ingay dito, ingay doon. So, yung asawa ko, guys, a little bit anxious. Hindi talaga siya nakatulog. Sobrang kawawa ng asawa ko. But then, they moved us, kailan ba yun? Yesterday afternoon, like mga 4 p.m. Like around that time. And I'm so thankful and happy kasi yung asawa ko nakatulog talaga siya kagabi, guys. I'm so happy talaga. He did sleep very well. Kailangan niya talaga yung tulog. Super. Yan yung kailangan ng kanyang katawan. And he's been sick. Kasi nagkaroon siya ng flu after visited Las Vegas. Hindi ko alam kung sa Las Vegas niya nakuha yun, guys. Basta pag-uwi niya dito from Las Vegas, nagka-flu siya. Positive flu, negative COVID. Pero nagka-positive siya sa flu. And yun nga, binigyan ng gamot from urgent care doctor. Hindi naman gumana. So, alam nyo yun? Kawawa yung asawa ko, guys. But I'm gonna bring everything he needs. I'm just waiting for him to text me. Actually, nag-offer na naman si Ate Marilyn sa akin kung gusto ko daw na siya magdala sa akin sa hospital. Pero nahihiya ako kasi siya yung nag-pick up sa akin kanina. But, let's see. So, kaya mag-Uber na lang ako mamaya, no? Maybe. 3:30, Ashley will be here anytime soon, guys. Sobrang sunny outside. Nilagay ko na yung rose dito sa labas para mag-get used siya sa temperature. Pero hindi ko siya pinainitan. So, it's okay. It will be fine. Maglilinis tayo before umalis, guys. Yung mga bata naman, actually, hindi naman nila pinabayaan yung bahay. But it's not completely clean. So, I have to clean. Hindi naman to matagal ilinis kasi konti lang naman yung lilinisan natin. But, before that, I'm gonna eat. Kasi gutom ako, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, may rice dito, people. Kain muna ako. ipapakita ko sa inyo yung binigay ni Ate Marilyn sa akin. Ito guys, oh. Mainit kasi sa kayo. Hindi kasi nilagay sa refrigerator. Tignan nyo yung nilagay. Sabi niya sa akin, pagbaba ko sa sakyan kanina, like, may bibigay ako sa'yo. Ano yun? Ulam. Ay, kulong! You know? Thank you so much. Ano pa, oh? Bongga ng kanyang paano. There. Ang bango. Thank you so much, Ate Marilyn. Sobrang grateful. Sobrang, bangus guys. Tingnan niyo yan. Wow, so yummy. Yan, oh. Wow, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much. Sobrang sarap nito, oh. Agoy! Gusto ko kaso wala pala akong wala akong onion. Bibili pa akong onion. Gusto kong gumawa ng sauce. Garlic, onion, and then tomato. Pero wala akong onions. So, kakainin natin siyang walang sauce. Pwede naman, magtoyo na lang. Nagutom tuloy ako. Well, actually, gutom na ako, guys. I'm really, really hungry. Yung asawa ko nag-message sa akin kasi akala ko may training siya with his student today. Wala pala. Tinext ko na sabihan yung student niya na hindi pupunta. Kasi baka pupunta. And then, yung mga bata lagi dito. But he said na wala pala silang training pag Wednesday. So, that's good. Good. My gosh. Yung mga bata sa kakain ko dito. Wait. Ito lang ako guys ha. So, thank you so much Ate Marilyn. Grabe si Ate Marilyn. Ay, daga na kay gihatag na ako ba. Wait. 108 pounds ako today. Pero kakain ako. Babalik na naman tayo sa 115 pounds. My gosh. Ang hirap ang hirap mag-diet sa daming pagkain available, easy to get dito guys. Mahihirapan talaga ako dun sa Pinas kasi tamad ako magluto. Minsan hindi ako kumakain, and then hindi ba ako maano ba na nakakain kasi usually doon lulutuin talaga. Dito kasi guys, bibili ka lang sa store na like initin mo lang, and then ayun, you have something to eat. Binilan ko ng bulaklak yung biyanan ko guys. Charan! Ganda no? So, before kasi kami pumunta dito ni Ate Marilyn, we stopped by sa Sam's. Remember ko kasi nung guys, birthday niya noong 9. Pero hindi kasi kami, like lumabas lang kami kumain ng lunch, pero hindi namin siya nabila ng flower kasi nagmamadali yung asawa ko, mag-study pa kasi. Ano yan, Kali? Spider! So, today, binilahan ko. Yan, spider. Oh. Itchy spider, hold up. Palaway. Ang ganda, diba? Cutie. Nashy Crush? 4:10. Yeah, she's here. She's home. I'll just wait for your Ate Nicole and then I'll have to go back to... No, Ate Marilyn brought me here. She was like, can you guys pick me up? It's so hot. She's walking. How was school? I called Ate Nicole earlier. No, this morning. You guys are not awake. Oh, yeah.
Nakamata ko 5:50. Kaming gipuko ko niya.
So, how do you do everything? Eating, change, blah, blah, blah.
Ako, gutom ato.
So, you didn't eat?
Nakaon ako kamay. And then...
Kasi gibutang ni mo balon?
Ate.
Wow. So lucky. Ganahan mo pag wala ming daddy, no? Ana si tita, what time daw mo natulog? Kasi si ate daw nag-post pa si ate nga middle of the night. Kali.
Tawag man daw siya siyang amigo. So, ako matulog ko at least like 10.
Good. At least tulog nag 10.
Siya ka mag-stay up, probonta na siya o mga like...
No. So, ugma pa mi ni daddy mo uli. I mean, ugma pa siya discharge. Kaya nga ganun mag-discharge today, but the doctor said no. Ugma pa daw. So, mabalik ko dito kay magdala og laptop kay mag-study si daddy.
Bruh.
What? Si ate na po mag-feed ni... Huh? Well, he wants to study. He doesn't wanna miss kay mag-exam. He had exam on Monday, so he needs to study.
Exam?
Yeah.
For a grade?
Yeah, college.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. Yeah. Yes, daddy may pinaka-oldest student. Look, I buy grandma flower. I don't know. I never asked daddy. But it's good to hear you guys are... Huh? Yeah, it's so good. Oh, so you brought the skirt? Oh, wow. Extra clothes yarn. Nahurot ang adobo.
Ano?
Ay, ganahan ko, ani. Oh, okay ba? Dahil po ni mo ang oversized di. Ay, dapat dahil small na lang to na ko yung size.
Ate na first of size.
No, it's not. I got you extra small. Ate small.
Tawag
No, bitaw. Nice, bitaw na. I got that one from Sam's. Nagpunta kaming Sam's nung nakaraan, guys. And nakita ni Nicole to. She was like, wow! So, we got it. And then, of course, wala si Ashley nung time na yun. Merong isang... Ano sa to yung mukha na ano?
Red na Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse ka na Stitch na blue. Binili namin. And then, mura lang naman. So, ready to go, guys. Nandito na si Nicole. And I'm waiting for my Uber. Walang Uber. So, I'm just waiting. Hindi ko alam. Kasi si Ate Marilyn sana, pero nahihiya akong mag-text at the same time kasi dadating daw yung asawa niya from, nakalimutan ko yung sinabi niya, but yeah, she needs to be there sa bahay niya daw 5:30. It's 5:25, so ayoko siyang ayoko siyang i-disturb, but I am trying to connect with Uber and see if may magpipick up kasi busy. It's traffic. Busy day, traffic. Tingnan natin kung mayroong magpipick up. Let's see. Yung nasa ako, nag-aantay na sa akin doon. But, okay. There you go. Someone's picking up. Alright. Driver is recording for added safety. Okay, good. See you in the hospital. I'm going to bring my camera, but I'm sure yung asawa ko ayaw na ayaw yun ipa-film. So, alam nyo na, kung hindi nyo makikita yung asawa ko, guys, that's because my husband is a private person. Ayaw talaga niya yan, guys. Yung mga camera and everything, hindi siya like sanay. So, that's why you don't see him a lot sa video natin kasi he's private person. Anyway, I'll see you there na. Okay? Ang laki pa naman ng bag ko, guys. Tingnan niyo. Oh, ang laki ng bag. Ang laki ng bag ko, no? Tapos hospital ako pupunta. Hindi kaya ako harangin ito. But ang dami ng dinala ko. I brought a lot of stuff. Well, actually, I just brought... Ang laki kasi ng laptop na asawa ko. Ang bigat. Anyway, may dala akong blanket. Meron naman blanket sa hospital, you know, pero I prefer my blanket kasi sobrang warm at sobrang lamig sa hospital, guys. Kung alam nyo lang, sobrang lamig sa hospital, as in super. Anyway, na ako ibilin. Maglungag na pagkagkanon, you have to cook rice na mukhaon man mo ron. So, morning, dapat magluto na kadaan. And then, please, pick up all your trash. Kaya it's trash day tomorrow. Yang buka, kanang ilig-open bitaw nimo, dapat dito sa kalsada mag-atubang, dili sa balay. 5 minutes, matagal pa yung ating car. Guys, I am here, back in the hospital. Guys, ang ganda ng aking view dito. Super nice view. Look. Wow. Ito yung view natin. Window view. Super nice. Parang nasa hotel lang ako. Diba? Ganda. Sobrang ganda ng weather today. Sunny but not too hot. Yun ang hanapin yung asawa ko. Year 694. Manunood tayo. Well, actually, mag-i-edit ako ng video. I'm gonna edit the video. I'm gonna edit the thumbnail. Lip balm muna. Kasi parang namumutla ako I'm using this one. Very nice. Nagaw ni Nicole yung isa na lip balm ko guys. Na binili ko sa Ulta Beauty at yun nabili. Inagaw ni Nicole. Oh my goodness. Hiningi. Nag-edit tayo. It's already night. It's 8:16. My view from the outside. Pasyente natin guys nanonood ng movie. Ganito yung room dito sa US. When it comes to like hospital, sobrang laki, parang nasa hotel ka lang. Yun diba? Tapos may couch pa dito na malaki. Sobrang ganda dito guys. Comfortable yan. Nanonood ng movie guys. I went downstairs, bumili akong tubig at saka ice cream. Guys, sobrang sarap nito. Super masarap. Bibili ako nito pag punta ng HEB. So, diba? 10:30 nag-ice cream. There you go. You want? You want?
I'm fine. It's for you.
It won't hurt if you bite one.